Good day, grade 7 learners. I'm your teacher in mathematics, and I'm here to help you how to do your performance task number 2. But before that, let us recall first how to add like signed numbers and how to add unlike signed numbers. So always remember that when you add like signed numbers, for example, positive added by a positive number, the result will always be positive. And when you add a negative number by another negative number, the answer is still negative. For example, here we have here positive 5. So though wa siya positive nga sign, but if wala siya positive nga sign, it means it's positive. So positive 5 plus positive 10 is equal to positive 15. So positive added by positive number is equal to positive. So that's why 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Number 2. Negative 5 plus negative 10 is equal to negative 15. Why? Because the sign of negative 5 is negative and the sign of negative 10 is negative. So negative plus negative, so same signs. So we have to put the sign here negative and add 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Next is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. So that is 2 is positive, 3 is positive, 4 is positive, 6 is positive. So they are same signed numbers. So we have here positive 15. Because 2 plus 3 equals 5, plus 4 equals 9, plus 6 is equal to 15. And we have here the last example, negative 2 plus negative 13 plus negative 13. So as what you can see, we have here all negative integers. So we have to write here negative sign. And then 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. Plus 13 equals 28. Okay, how about if we have another given numbers like negative 2 plus positive 10 plus negative 20. So that will be, we will perform it from left to right. So that is equal to, okay, let's proceed now to the unlike signed numbers. Recall that to add unlike signed numbers, positive plus negative or negative plus positive, we have to follow the rules. What rule? If, for example, recall that this number line here, this is called number line. At the center, we have 0, and going to the right is positive, and going to the left is negative. So whatever number is farther from 0, then that number will base our answers. We will base the sign of our answers to that number farther from 0. For example, 1. 1 is here. So from 0, so here is 1. Next is negative 3. From 0, here is negative 3. As what you can notice, negative 3 is farther from 0. So we will follow negative, and then we will subtract 3 and 1. What's the difference from 1 to 3? So that is equal to 2. So the answer is negative 2. Another, what if we have negative 4 plus negative, no, plus 3? So that will be, where is negative 4 from 0? Here, this is negative 4. And where is 3 from 0? Here. So which is farther from 0? It's negative 4. So your answer should be negative. And then what's the difference from 3 to 4? It's 1. So that's why the answer is negative 1. So here here it is for your performance task number 2. Your challenge is to solve the expression to find the correct path to end from the beginning. So let's try to find out how to answer. So we have here, start here. So we will start on this part, 10 plus negative 40. As what you can notice, you have here 10 and negative 40. Which is farther from 0? Yes, you're right. It's negative 40. So our answer should be negative. So it could be negative 30 and negative 35. What's the difference between 40 and 10? It's 40 minus 10 is equal to 30. So this is now our direction. You will just put an arrow on what direction are we going to solve. So 201 plus negative 2. So what is, why is it like signs or unlike signs? Yes, it's unlike sign numbers. So which is farther from 0? Yes, it's 201. So we have here the sign of 201 is positive. So we will get the difference. What's the difference between 2 and 201? It's 199. So it's positive. Next, we have to solve this one. Negative 30 plus 30, negative 3 plus 30. So unlike sign numbers, since the sign of 3 is negative and the sign of 30 is positive. Okay, so which is farther from 0? It's 30. So we will follow the sign of 30 that is positive. And what is the difference between 3 and 30? It's 27. So that is now our next job. We have to solve this. 14 plus negative 8 plus negative 2. So we have here negative 8 and negative 2 is enclosed with a parenthesis. Okay, so meaning we will simplify first negative 8 and negative 2. Notice that negative 8 and negative 2 are all negative numbers. So that is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 14, so different sign numbers. So the answer is positive, or next is 15 plus negative 123. As what you can notice, negative 123 is farther from 0. So we will follow negative sign. So negative sign, we'll put it here. And then we will get the difference between 123 and 15. So the answer is 108. Next is negative 3 plus negative 9 plus 3 plus 2. So you have here, we'll perform this from left to right. So negative 3 plus negative 9 is equal to same sign numbers. So we will add negative 3 plus negative 9. It's negative 12 plus 3 is equal to negative 9 plus 2 is equal to negative 7. So we have here We finished now our task. Good job, everyone.